Hey, this is FX Money Blueprint here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tradera trade alerts. Now, you'll first want to log into your back office. You can do that by going to Tradera.org, click on back office, enter your information, log in. Once you're on the inside, you will click on an option called Trade Alerts, and you will then see all of the trade alerts published by the company, starting with the most recent. For the purposes of this video, we are going to focus on the last trade alert published on June 15th, 2020. A few more things before we move to the next topic. You will, if you look at the top, win-lose 488 to 232, that's basically the company, showcasing their level of transparency and letting you know how many W's they took and how many L's they took as it pertains to all of the alerts that they've published to date. You can also see within each alert if it was, a win or a loss. And then if you go to the far right-hand corner, you'll see the total pip count accumulated to date for all of the alerts. The second option to access your trade alerts is by subscribing to the Tradera Trade Alerts channel within Telegram. This is a very convenient way to get the alerts sent to you directly to your phone or a mobile device. Now, once you have your trade alert or signal, you will then open up MetaTrader 4, and the assumption, keyword assumption, is that you have already connected your broker to MetaTrader 4. If you haven't done that part, you'll definitely want to do that. Now, once MetaTrader 4 is open, you will click on quotes, which will bring up all of the currency pairs on that screen. You will choose the currency pair that is associated with your alert. If you don't see the currency pair, you can simply click the plus sign and enter the currency pair to add it to your screen. Once you've clicked on your currency pair, then you will click on new order. Once you click on new order, this particular example pertains to Android phones. If you are an iPhone user, a good video to check out is by Tasha Holds. She has great visuals for iPhone users, but for Android users, you will simply enter the information according to this visual. You'll look at position to determine, is it a sell or a buy? And then your stop loss, you will enter that number on the left side of your screen, and then you will choose the take profit, number 1, 2, or 3, and enter that number on the right side. And based on the position that is listed, you will click the respective position. And that's it. Now, I just want to also add that trade alerts are very, very convenient, specifically for someone who want to learn about this industry, but want to do it in an easy way. But I would also share and propose that it's not the only means to the end. And as I showed you at the very beginning, just because you get an alert, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's always going to be a W, a win. And so from that perspective, I encourage you to continue to learn how to trade. There's a wonderful learning platform within the back office that you're already paying for, so you might as well take advantage of it. With the 2-week syllabus, all of the Forex education modules, the private community on Facebook and more, different channels within Telegram, the live and recorded trading sessions, And then, you know, the different strategies offered by master traders, the optional marketing system with additional live trading sessions. It's like, why would you not want to take advantage of that? Just so, you know, even if you do get an alert, you have some foundation to fall back upon and say, you know what, like, I got this alert based off of what I've learned. I agree with it. And I'm gonna, you know, make a move, or maybe I might do something different. And so I just wanted to add that last piece. And even for myself, I'm still learning and I'm excited about my journey. But if I receive an alert and I'm not clear on what I'm doing, I'll still enter the alert on the demo system. I take advantage of the test system, my demo account in MetaTrader 4, so that I can still at least get some experience, get some knowledge, some learning from that particular alert. If I'm not fully comfortable, you know, pushing a button and going live. And so I just wanted to encourage anybody who's, you know, watching this to, you know, definitely take advantage of the alerts and signals, but also take advantage of the education that you're getting so that you can really develop your skill set and hopefully become a master trader. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, fxmoneyblueprint@gmail.com, or comment below. And if you want to get notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe.